Today we're checking out the new JBL Grip. Even though it may look similar to the new JBL Flip 7, it's actually smaller and lighter at 385 grams, where the Flip 7 is 560. It's also a little bit smaller in pretty much every dimension as well. Pretty interesting. They don't actually include a charging cable anymore, so you pretty much just have the speaker in the box. Yeah, holding this in person, it's actually smaller than I was expecting. This new speaker only has 16 watts versus 35 for the JBL Flip 7. It's also only a single full range speaker with mono sound, where the JBL Flip 7 is a two-way system that has a woofer and tweeter. The Flip 7 also has a lower frequency response down to 60 Hz versus 70 for the JBL Grip. So not quite as good a bass on the Grip versus the Flip 7. The JBL Grip is actually designed more of an upright vertical design compared to horizontal for the Flip 7. It's got a little bit different carrying strap with a rope hook there on the back. It also has a customizable ambient lighting effect on the back panel. Another thing to keep in mind, the USB-C port only supports charging, where on the JBL Flip 7, it's got lossless audio playback using the USB-C port. You can see a little bit different style now on the top. There's actually controls. You've got power, Bluetooth, Auracast. The JBL Grip is IP68, dust and waterproof, just like the JBL Flip 7. It's also using Bluetooth 5.4, just like the Flip 7 as well. And you compare to other JBL speakers using Auracast, just like the Flip 7. It's also going to use the same JBL portable app to customize things, including the EQ settings. And the new JBL Grip also uses AI sound boost, similar to the JBL Flip 7 as well. Even though it has a smaller battery, somehow this is still rated at 12 hours of playtime plus 2 hours with playtime boost, which is the same as the JBL Flip 7. Although I will mention, with playtime boost turned on, it just doesn't sound as good. It takes about 3 hours to charge back up. The build quality still feels pretty nice on here, very similar to the JBL Flip 7. But here's a quick sample just to give you an idea of how they sound. Not sure if you can tell from those samples, but when you play the JBL Grip next to the Flip 7, you can definitely hear the difference. The Grip just doesn't have quite as much oomph. The bass doesn't hit as hard. Overall volume is actually pretty decent though. I think it's sort of what you would expect considering the price difference. I feel like once most people listen to the Grip, it's probably gonna make most people want the JBL Flip 7 or even the older Flip 6. So yeah, overall, pretty good sound as you would expect from JBL. It just doesn't really compare to the Flip 7 in my opinion, and it wouldn't surprise me if the Flip 7 is going to be closer in price to this before too long, so I would definitely consider that. Hopefully this gave you a little closer look at the new JBL Grip, but I guess price wise it does kind of fill in the gap, and of course it has to rhyme, so you have the Grip in between the clip and the flip.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.